and welcome back to Simply Fatima. In today's video, I'm doing a what fits inside of my Saint Laurent blogger bag and my small Gucci belt bag. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to Simply Fatima, where we talk about all things luxury and luxury handbags. If you have not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? So please hit that subscribe button, also hit that like button, and also hit that bell's notification so that you'll never miss an upload from me. Also, follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves luxury so that you'll see how I style my bags and just show your girl some love over there as well. So today's video should not be that long, so let's just get right into the video, shall we? Okay, so you guys know a couple of videos back, or just one video back, I created a video stating how I returned my Nano Noe, and returning that, I ended up picking up my small Gucci belt bag and my Saint Laurent blogger bag. And I wanted to show you guys what fits in both bags. So let's start with the Gucci belt bag. So this is the Gucci belt bag. It has Gucci imprinted on it. It's the white leather and it has the navy and red strap. It does have like this plastic buckle on it, which I'm okay with, but at the same time I feel like Gucci could have done better, but that's neither here or there. And it does come with this gold, aged gold adjustable clamp right here so that you can like adjust the actual strap. But besides that, this is what the inside of the bag looks like. It's just one main compartment. And you guys know I like my small mini bag, so this was right up my alley. So we want to first start out with our cell phone. So I have a iPhone 10, and I'm gonna place my iPhone 10 with the case inside of this bag, and that fits in there just like that, and I still have plenty of room. This bag was intended to only carry like basically what I really need and nothing extra. This bag to me is like a great theme park bag, a great hiking bag. So I don't expect it to hold a lot, but I do expect it to hold some of my essential items. So the next item that is essential to me, and that is something that I need to carry, is my card holder. So I have my Saint Laurent card holder, and I'm just gonna place that right in front of my phone, and it fits in just like that. And then also, nowadays we have to keep our hands clean. So I have some hand sanitizing wipes. These are by Perel, and it's just like the Perel hand sanitizer, but just in wipe form, and they are great and amazing. So we're just gonna actually fold these in half, and we're gonna actually stick these inside of the belt bag, and it fits perfectly just like that. So I have my hand wipes, phone, and card holder just like that. You guys know how I feel about my Neutrogena face wipes or makeup remover wipes. Even if you don't have makeup on, it's just nice to sometimes wipe your face down, get some of the excess oil off your face, or just feel refreshed. So we're gonna stick that in the little side corner over there. It's right there. And then we're gonna add my Kiehl's lip balm, and we're gonna stick that in there, and we're just gonna stick that like right on top, like so. This is right there. And we're gonna try to fit in a pack of gum, and that fits right on the inside, just like that. So like I said, this belt bag, it is the small size. So if you got the medium size, of course you could fit a lot more, but I didn't want the medium size. I wanted something small and mini that I can just, you know, either wear as a belt bag or wear across my body and not feel weighed down. And so the bag is not bulging. It can still lay flat on your body. You see, it can still lay flat. And so this is the bag, and it zipped up smoothly, like no problems. So it zips up nicely. And so that is everything that fits inside of this this Gucci belt bag. What I do want to try is put everything, or most of the things that I have in here, in my mini pochette, and see if my mini pochette can fit inside of here. So I'm just going to show you everything that I have in here. I have a Kiehl's lip balm, gum, card holder, a cell phone, hand wipes, sanitizing hand wipes, and a face wipe. So right here I have my mini pochette, and we're gonna put items inside of the mini pochette. So we're gonna put our card holder inside the mini pochette. We're gonna put some gum. We're gonna put a lip balm. We're gonna put the face wipe, and we're gonna zip the mini pochette up. Oops. Okay, so that's the mini pochette. And let's see. Will the mini pochette fit inside of the small Gucci belt bag? And as you can see, it does not fit at all. It does not fit. The mini pochette does not fit. So with this bag, we would have to do the first configuration of just like putting all the individual items inside the pouch and zipping it up. So this is everything that fits inside of the Gucci belt bag. Let's move right along to the Saint Laurent blogger bag. So since I've already filled up my mini pochette, we're gonna see if the mini pochette can fit inside of the Saint Laurent blogger bag. As you can see, the mini pochette seems like it's about the same size, or maybe even a little bit bigger than the Saint Laurent blogger bag, but we shall see. And let's see. Will it fit? Will it fit, guys? I don't think so. I don't want to stretch it out, but the mini pochette does not fit inside of the Saint Laurent blogger bag. So with that being said, I'm gonna take everything that I have in my mini pochette out, and we'll just place everything individually inside the Saint Laurent blogger bag and see what fits. First things first is we always want to see if our cell phone fits inside of our bags with the case, because we don't walk around here without cases. But if you do you. But I have an iPhone 10 again, and it has a case on it. So we're just gonna insert that into the bag, and it fits perfectly, actually. Yeah, it really does. It fits perfectly, and this is what it looks like. So I feel like if you have like a Plus or like a Pro Max, that's not gonna fit in here, because literally my iPhone 10, and it's not even the S, it's like the regular iPhone 10, it like fits from corner to corner, like perfectly in there. Next, we're gonna insert our card holder. Even though they have like a slot for like cards, like I'm just gonna carry my card holder. We're gonna add our hand sanitizing wipes. We're gonna just stick that right near our phone, and that fits in there just like that. And again, these bags for me are meant to be small bags where I don't carry a lot. So when I'm on vacation, I just have basically everything that I need, and that's that. And a pack of gum. We'll add that to the bag, and that slid right on in there perfectly in front of my card holder. You see the little white dots right here? That's the gum. And then the Saint Laurent, not Saint Laurent, but Kiehl's lip balm, and that fit right on top. Oops, fell out. But it fits right on top like that. And the Neutrogena face wipes fit right on in there. So that's everything that fits inside. Yes, that is everything that fits inside of this blogger bag. If you guys have any questions, please comment that down below. If you like this content, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves luxury. And until next time, my loves, talk to you later. Bye.